You're living in a dream. It's important to wake up, realize nothing around you is the ultimate reality. Okay, we're here in one sort of dimension. We're here in the 3 dimensions. But that doesn't necessarily mean that is reality. You think about radio waves and X-rays and all these other types of rays that we can't actually see. It doesn't mean that they don't exist. We can't even see the internet. It does not mean that it does not exist. So what I'm saying is just because we're walking around and we see different things, it doesn't mean that is the ultimate reality. There's multiple layers to this. We're not just talking about the physical. Yes, there's all this physical stuff around us, but I'm talking about looking beyond that. For example, let's say I have a conflict with a friend or a family member or coworker. It doesn't necessarily mean that your point is right and their point is wrong, or their point is right, your point is wrong. There's actually truth in both sides. Okay, we only see the subjective side. We only see one side of everything. The actual truth is a combination of what you're feeling, what the other person's feeling, somewhere right in the middle. And so the objective truth is actually something that usually we cannot perceive. All we see is the subjective truth. We only see what is actually relevant to us. We only see a small portion of the entire truth. And so it's important to realize that really nothing around you is the truth, because you're only seeing what you want to see. Everything's filtered through your eyes based on how you want to see the world, based on your past experiences. So what I challenge you to do is anytime there is some sort of conflict, anytime you walk around, anytime you see anything, hear anything, taste anything, know that that isn't the objective truth. That is subjective. That is based on your perceptions of the world. That's your perceptions of reality, but it doesn't necessarily mean that is the actual truth. If someone stresses you out, don't worry because they're not seeing the truth. Don't worry about the stress because that is actually also not the truth. And just really be present and just try to appreciate every moment, even if you're not liking the feeling, even if you like the feeling. Enjoy the moment and just appreciate the moment rather than diving too deep into that reality.